Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute a Slack workspace step by step. If you want to mute a Slack workspace, first of all, open up the Slack application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and select the workspace. Go to the top left corner and tap on the initial and then choose a workspace you want to mute. After selecting it, go ahead and select a channel from the workspace. Press and hold the channel's name at the top and tap on the Mute Channel button in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to mute a specific channel from the workspace. Muting a channel on Slack will prevent notification but won't remove the conversation from your sidebar. You can still access and read messages at your convenience. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.